Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies in the microwave. Mix softened butter with both sugars until creamy, then beat in the egg and vanilla. Stir in flour, baking powder, and salt until just combined. Fold in chocolate chips and portion the dough onto a microwave-safe plate or silicone mold. Microwave in short bursts, checking frequently until the cookies are set but still soft in the center. Start by creaming the butter and sugars until light and slightly fluffy, which helps the cookie texture. Add the egg and vanilla, then gently stir in the measured flour, baking powder, and salt without overworking the dough. Fold in the chocolate chips evenly so each cookie gets chips. Use a spoon or small scoop to portion dough into even rounds on a microwave-safe plate for consistent cooking and a neat presentation. Microwave power varies, so cook cookies in 20 to 30-second intervals and check after each burst to avoid overcooking. The centers should still look slightly soft because cookies firm up as they cool, which prevents dryness. If cookies spread too much, chill the dough briefly before cooking next batch. Allow cookies to rest on the plate for 1 to 2 minutes so they set, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.